guys, John here with JG Multimedia, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create drop-down menus in WordPress. So I just went ahead and installed WordPress, and as you can see you have your default menu items here, your home and sample page. And so what I'm going to do in this tutorial is show you how to create new menu items and then show you how to create the drop-downs. So the first thing I want to do is create 3 pages. So I'm going to go to the back end, and then I'm going to go to pages and then click on add new. And I'm going to title this menu 1, save it, add a new page. I'm going to call this one menu 2, publish, and menu 3, and publish that. Okay, so now that I just created those 3 pages, what you want to do now is go over to appearance and then click on menus. Now by default you're not going to have really a main menu created here on WordPress. You're just going to have the home and the sample page. So we want to create a custom menu. So right up here where it says menu name, we just want to type in main menu, then click create menu. Okay, so now that we have our main menu selected, what we want to do is come over here to the left where it says primary menu, click the drop down and you'll see the newly created menu. Select that and then click save. Okay, so now we want to start adding some pages inside of our main menu. So what we want to do is down here where it says pages, these are the pages that we just created. So menu 1, menu 2, and menu 3. So go ahead and select all 3 of those and then click add to menu. And what that's going to do is just add those menu items to our main menu. And I'm just going to rearrange these. So if you hover over these bars, if you just left click and hold it and then drag it up, you can move them around. So I'm just going to organize these. Okay, and then click save menu. Okay, so let me just show you what it looks like. So back in our front end, and I'm going to refresh the page. So as you can see, it replaced the default menus and it added our new menu items in there, menu 1, 2, and 3. So now we're going to create the drop downs, and this is very simple. So let's go back to our back end, and all we have to do is come over here and left click and hold menu 2 and slide it over, and that's it. As you can see, it kind of locks into place. So you just left click, hold it, slide over to the right a little bit, and that's it. And then I'm going to do the same thing with menu 3. Locks right in. So now let's click save menu. Okay, and then now if we go to our front end and refresh the page, as you can see, all the other items disappeared. So now when I hover over menu 1, there it is, menu 2 and menu 3. And it's just that simple to create the drop downs. Now if you want to create a sub menu within inside this menu, that's very simple too. So let's go back to our dashboard, and I'm going to come over here to menu 3, and then I'm just going to left click and hold it and then drag it over a little bit more. See how it locks into place there? And so now menu 3 is now a category within menu 2. So if I save this and go back to the front end and then refresh, so now when I hover over it, you see menu 1 and menu 2. But now when I hover over menu 2, you've got the sub menu with inside that drop down. So that's how you do it. If you have a really big site with a lot of content, drop down menus are a great way to consolidate all your information and get a good clean look on your website. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, send me an email at john@jgmultimedia.net, and I'll see you on the next one.